Cold, creamy, nutty, and with a surprise chocolate center. Hi guys, I'm Nicole with Piatto Recipes, and today we're making an Italian semifreddo. Think of it as a frozen mousse, like gelato, but without churning or ice cream makers. This recipe has a secret. No heavy cream, no eggs, and 50% less fat than the traditional recipe. Let's get started. In one bowl, hazelnut butter, or peanut butter if you prefer, though in Italy, hazelnuts always win. In the second bowl, fine dark chocolate. This is a quality Italian brand. Chips, chunks, whatever you have. I'm giving this chocolate a rough chop so that it melts quickly. Now for the base. Here I'm using sweetened condensed milk. Or you can swap it with evaporated milk plus sugar. Heat this with whole milk and agar-agar. Why agar? Traditional semifreddos use some combination of whipped cream and whipped eggs for texture. Today we're using agar-agar, which sets at a warmer temperature, helping us trap air and create that mousse-like consistency. Bring the milk with the agar to a gentle boil for 2 minutes. Stirring continuously to avoid burning. Or use a double boiler if you want to be extra safe. Condensed milk is prone to burning, and so if you happen to burn it, there's no need to throw it out. Strain out the burnt pieces and give it a taste. The rest of the milk should still be usable, I'll bet with a slightly caramelized flavor, which is actually kind of tasty in this recipe. Add half of this hot mix to the chocolate. And the other half to the nut butter. And what about the rest of the cold milk? Here I'm whipping it with a milk frother or a cappuccino wand. Even though whole milk doesn't whip like cream, it does have enough fat to whip to some extent. And adding it cold to the warm agar traps the air, giving us a lighter mousse-like semifreddo without the added fat. Pour the mixes into your mold. Today I'm using a 30 by 11 centimeter pan polenta mold. Cover the mold of your choice with plastic wrap or parchment paper. Pour the mixes into your mold. This way, one side has more nut, the other more chocolate. Perfect for everyone. And freeze it 6 hours to overnight. Now, Italians love to top semifreddos with nuts and syrups. You can toast hazelnuts in an oven or even an air fryer, which I'm doing today because it's super hot in Italy. And now for my hack. Toss the toasted hazelnuts in a stand mixer with the whisk attachment on high for 3 minutes to loosen the skins. The whisk won't cut the hazelnuts, but it will agitate the skins enough to loosen them. Chop the hazelnuts coarsely. And we're ready for toppings and tasting. Here I'm drizzling on some chocolate syrup, which I've made by melting some bar chocolate with hot milk. A few handfuls of our hazelnuts. Once unwrapped, let the semifreddo rest 5 to 15 minutes before slicing. Chocolate and nuts. Nothing beats it. After 5 minutes, it's creamy and airy. After 15, it's soft and mousse-like. Delicious either way, with that surprise chocolate center. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and share your flavor ideas in the comments. And the taste? Pure heaven. Don't forget to subscribe to Piatto Recipes for more Italian classics. And buon appetito!